Good day and welcome. I'm Mr. Simons. In this lesson, we'll be solving quadratic inequalities that's factorized already. Right, so problem number 1. It solves most of the problems from grade 12 papers, although it's grade 11 work. So June 2016, Eastern Cape. They gave us solve for x, 2x minus 1 times x minus 3 greater than 0. Draw a number line using our critical values. So what I mean with critical values, what value can I put in each bracket to ensure that the bracket is 0? So here if I put in 3, 3 minus 3 would give me 0. There if I put half, 2 times half would give me 1, 1 minus 1 would give me 0. So at half and 3 it's 0. If I multiply 2x times x gives me 2x squared. So therefore my equation goes positive, negative, positive, because x squared is positive. Old method, we can test. If I take a value bigger than 3, if I use 4, 2 times 4 would give me 8. 8 minus 1 gives me 7. 4 minus 3 would give me 1. 1 times 7 would stay positive. If I take a value in between, like 2, 2 times 2 would give me 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, but 2 minus 1 would give me negative 1. Negative times positive gives me negative. Right, you can also draw your parabola. So as I said, if I say 2x times x gives me 2x squared, it's positive, therefore I have a smiley parabola, and it's 0 at 3.5. Right, so where is it greater than 0? As you can see, go from half towards the left, and from 3 going to the right. Therefore my answer, x less than half, or x greater than 3. Alright, can also written as x element of negative infinity to half. Take note, open brackets, because it's not equal to half, or x element starting from 3 going all the way to positive infinity. Right, so it's that part of the parabola, positive, negative, positive, or positive, negative, positive. So hope you follow and understand. Let's look at the next problem. So here, solve for x. So it's from a supplementary exam 2017. We have x times x minus 4 less than 0. Right, so it's already factorized for me. So on the number line, I should know there, if I put 0, and therefore minus 4 would give me 0. So at 0 and 4, it's 0. Again, as I said, shorter way of understanding, x times x gives me x squared. Graph is x squared, it will always be positive, negative, positive, a smiley face, so plus, minus, plus. Whereas it less than 0, in between, that solid black line, so therefore it's a combined answer, x greater than 0 and less than 4, or x element of starting from 0 to 4. Right, so hope you follow and understand. Right, let's look at the next one. So June 2016, Western Cape, solve for x. Have 2 minus x and x plus 4 greater or equal to 0. So again, what values would make each bracket 0 based on the 0 factor law? So there 2 minus 2 would give me 0. Minus 4 plus 4 would give me 0. Right? Again, negative x times x gives me negative x squared, so it's a sad face, meaning it goes from negative, positive, negative. So there negative x squared, so as soon as the x squared is negative, it will always read minus plus minus. Or if you draw a parabola, sad face, minus plus minus. One towards positive, meaning we want this part in between here, or there. So once it's in between, it's always a combined answer. So x greater or equal to the negative 4 given, or x less or equal to the 2. Again, x element of, now closed brackets or closed parenthesis, x element of negative 4 going all the way to 2. Right, so there we're done solving that. So this is more a sense of just getting used to drawing your number line. Right, so supplementary 2013, we're given x plus 1, 4 minus x greater than 0. Because that's 0, it's already factorized. So draw a parabola, should see x times negative x, give me negative x squared. So therefore, sad face, to make that 0, minus 1, to get there 0, 4. Alright, so this reads negative, positive, negative. So positive is greater, negative is less than. So there it's greater than 0. Right, x greater than negative 1, less than 4, because it's a combined answer in between minus 1 and 4. If it was minus 1 and 4, then it would be separate and we would use the word or. So if you enjoy the lesson and you're understanding, please like, share and subscribe. If there's anything that's not clear for you, feel free to log on to Simon's Math 10 to revise your basics. Right, wish you nothing but the best. Bye.